Well, copy trading platform Dub recently unveiled a new report revealing how younger generations are taking a different path toward reaching their financial goals. According to the survey titled The Great Wealth Reset, at least 40% of Gen Zers and millennials say side hustles are key for reaching financial goals, while about 40% of both generations say entrepreneurship is essential for reaching their ambitions. By comparison, less than 20% of boomers felt the same. Now, Dub also made headlines this past spring by raising $30 million in a Series A funding round, and Ginny Durkin spoke with the CEO, Stephen Wang, more about it. Let's take a look.
It's the very first copy trading platform. And the idea is instead of trading your own stocks, you follow and mirror what other real investors with real track records are investing. The whole idea is we want to simplify investing. It's not this complex process of predicting stock prices anymore. It's now trusting someone else who's done it for a long time to take care of your money for you.
Is it about closing the wealth gap? Is that a component as well? Or what do you see as your underlying kind of thesis that's driving the company?
Yeah. If you look at where America is today, the wealth gap is accelerating faster than ever before. Top 10% of Americans own 90% of the stock market wealth. And we've seen that polarization in the economy, in politics. It's happening in our day-to-day lives. And a big part of that, it's actually quite simple. The majority of people actually don't own a single stock. They're not participating in the growth and the immense upside of capitalism, of America, of the American dream, which is what people like my parents came to the US for. The whole idea is like, how do we actually simplify that experience of someone who's going paycheck to paycheck, which is 57% of America, who doesn't even have time to think about investing? How do we just simplify that process for them? So you don't need to get good at investing or learn, and frankly, most people never will. It's a really tough thing to learn how to trade stocks. So the idea is like, hey, why don't you just follow an expert like you do in every other area of your life when something's difficult? We trust our doctors, we trust our lawyers. How do we bring that experience to investing? And that's what we really set out to create. And now when you come on Dub, instead of trading stocks, you can now select and mirror the investment portfolios of hundreds of real fund managers, traders, experts who've been doing this professionally for a long time. And we really view this as hopefully one day the new default way for anyone to think about investing.
I was going to say, so who are those so-called the comparable doctors and lawyers of the space that people can expect to actually track the real-time portfolio performance of on your platform?
Yeah, so the cool thing is we're really just the marketplace, and we have real fund managers who are trading through our app on a day-to-day basis. And whenever they trade, all of their trades get reflected in all the people that are copying them. So some more popular ones, of course, are we have one person trading a Nancy Pelosi strategy based on her filings and disclosures, similar to the big hedge funds. We also have people just trading their own sophisticated, unique strategies that you might find at a really top-tier hedge fund or quant shop. So it's been really exciting to see how our experts, quote unquote, have been able to bring these really complex ways to invest of the ultra wealthy to the regular American. Now with $100, you can access the same wealth building tools of Wall Street.